So, what is that one word that describes your dad?
He is my superhero.
Is my mentor. Very soft-hearted.
Humble. He is extremely humble.
He is my everything.
ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ.
He's very supportive. The most supportive person ever.
Everything. He is my everything.
He's very kind and caring.
I can't describe my dad in one word because dad is superhero only always. So he's a supportive for me and loving and careable, motivational person, very wise person, my hero.
So, what is the most fondest memory that you've had about your dad?
Yeah, definitely. I used to speak in Telugu in this word. Why? Because డాడీతో పాటు నాకున్నటువంటి రిలేషన్షిప్లో సో ఎంత ఫన్గా మేము ఉంటాము అని అంటే హీఈస్ జస్ట్ లైక్ ఎ ఫ్రెండ్ ఫర్ మీ. సో ఆల్వేస్ వీఆర్ చిల్లింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ నైట్ అవుట్స్, సో హ్యావింగ్ ఫన్ ఇన్ అవుట్ సైడ్ అండ్ మమ్మీతో పాటు కాన్వర్జేషన్స్లో చాలా విషయాల్లో చాలా హ్యాపీగా మేము ఎంజాయ్ చేసేవాళ్ళం. వెన్ మై మామ్ డాడ్ ఈస్ బోత్ టు ఫైట్ టుగెదర్, ఐ యూస్ టు ఎంజాయ్ విత్ దెమ్. ఐ లవ్ మై డాడ్.
Once me and my dad went for a solo trip. We both. So on the hill station top, we had a party and we were discussing about stories or what happened in his life. Those.
The fondest memory what would be like, when I was a kid, I would sit on his shoulder and then we would just roam around the house and then outside everything.
The best memory is like during COVID time, during the lockdown. So we cooked together, we played games, and it was the best memory. And he shared all about his childhood times, and which made like I got to know more about him.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದೊಂದು ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಮರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
When he held my hand and he taught me to ride bicycle, he's made me to so safe.
It's almost every Christmas party that we have had, and it used to be filled with a lot of laughter, a lot of fun, and he was in his element all the time. He still is, and it was always a good time with him. And so, yeah, Christmas times were the most fondest memories.
When I was little, around in LKG or UKG, I used to sleep on his arms. That is the most memorable thing I have with me, because after that age I haven't ever slept on his arms. I still miss that.
The memories which I had with my father was all fondest memories.
तो जब मैं छोटी थी और पापा मुझे स्कूल से लेने आते थे, तो फिर हम लोग, जब भी मम्मी आती थी तो वो मेरे लिए कुछ लेके नहीं आती थी और कुछ दिलाती भी नहीं थी, बट जब पापा आते थे कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा जो खाने का मन होता था ही यूज्ड टू बाय मी. तो वो बहुत अच्छी मेमोरी है बचपन की, एंड आई रियली मिस दोज डेज.
So, what is that one advice from dad that has helped you throughout life?
नेवर गिव अप, और मेहनत करते रहो, एक दिन तो यू विल गेट योर रिजल्ट्स. एंड आई फील कि हाँ थे.
My dad used to tell you complete your education and you stand on your legs. So education is very important. I have improved in my life.
Stay grounded in any situations. Whatever situation you are in, stay grounded. Keep yourself calmed and stay grounded. Wherever you are, in whichever situation you are, stay grounded.
Life that is plan for the best, expect the worst, and be ready for a surprise, because life is full of surprises.
Never give up, believe yourself.
ಏನೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕುಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
He always stresses about self-confidence. So with that, I'm going on with my life.
He used to say this thing that be humble and do everything you can in your power to keep your family safe.
It is be humble and be kind for people. That people will respect you more. That was my dad taught me.
Yeah, this is always I remember my dad's life lessons, okay, which I need to follow. I always follow my dad's learn from the failures, first thing, and be kind with your others. And ekkadiki ellina kuda we should be with a good smile heart, and we have to treat them very well. So this is what the best lessons which I learned from my dad. He's always guided me. He's a supporter or mentor also, because that really used to tell that right now also I can see my dad's presence every time. Wherever I'm traveling, I used to love my dad words. I had to carry with that one. So real ga cheppalante, I love my dad. That's it.